Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download the Riot client. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Riot Games. Click on the official Riot Games website. You can recognize it because the link will usually be riotgames.com. On the homepage, choose the game you want to play. For example, click on League of Legends or Valorant. On the game page, you will see a button that says Play or Play Free. Click this button. When you click play, your computer will start downloading the installer for that game. The Riot client is included in this installer. This means you do not download the client separately. It comes together with the game. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click it. If your computer asks for permission, click Yes. The setup will start and install both the Riot client and the game you selected. After the installation is complete, the Riot client will open. You can log in with your Riot account. If you do not have one yet, click Create Account and follow the steps. That is how you get the Riot client on your computer. Thanks for watching.